it's Ed the Old Tech Guy, and today I've got a Milwaukee PACKOUT hack video right here for you right now that will keep you organized, clean, and fast at your job. This is my Milwaukee PACKOUT toolbox that I use for my mobile car repair, side jobs, and personal use. Guys, don't you hate
this empty space right there? Oh, you can't see it, can you? There you go. How about it?
right there? Don't you hate that space? I'm full to the gills with tools, as you can see there, and I got that little bit of space that I think I can use for something. All right, guys, one of the things that I was thinking about doing is putting a mat right here, because I use this mat and mats like it when I'm working on cars so that I can quickly grab sockets and stuff from the side of the car. I absolutely use magnetic trays and magnetic socket holders, but having this mat is usually kind of good when you don't want to scratch something on the car. Now, if you know of a better mat that could be used for this, please put it in the comments. Please let me know what you consider is much better than this. This is kind of cheap. I get these on Amazon, but I put it here and it goes anywhere. So how can I make it stay there? Well, one of the things I thought about doing was placing a piece of metal there. And I instantly thought about my other side jobs, and I started thinking about these 2-inch knockouts. These are electrical knockouts for electrical boxes. You could buy these for about $1 at Lowe's or Home Depot. And I was thinking about putting that there. And then having the magnet hold it. As you can see that. It'll hold it. But it's not strong enough. Because as soon as I start putting tools, this is going to start sliding. Right? How can I make this stronger? Well, one of the ways you can make it stronger is by adding a magnet. This is a 2-inch round magnet, rare earth magnet, and look at the thickness. That's a nice 1/2-inch thick magnet right there. Now we could put this here, but how are we going to hold it? Well, I think if we combine all these parts, we can put it all together and it'll work great. Let's do that.